In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Facebook on PC. So I'm here on my computer and the first thing I'm doing is opening my web browser. Once that's open, I'm going up to the address bar and typing in facebook.com. Then I'm pressing enter on the keyboard to load the website. Give it a second to open, and once the Facebook login page shows up, everything we need is right here on the screen. Now I'm looking at the login fields on the page. In the first field, I'm entering my email address or phone number. Just type in whichever one you normally use to sign into your Facebook account. I'm going ahead and entering that in the first box, and once that looks right, I'm moving down to the second field. This is where I type in my password. So I'm entering my password carefully here, just making sure everything is typed correctly before I continue. If you want to be extra careful, this is a good moment to slow down for a second and double check what you entered so you don't end up with a login error from a small typo. Once both fields are filled in, the only thing left to do is click the login button. So I'm moving down and clicking login now, and that's it. Once I do that, Facebook starts signing me into the account. If the details were entered correctly, the account should open and take me straight into Facebook on my PC. So the full process is really simple and very quick once you know the order. I open my web browser, go to facebook.com, enter my email address or phone number in the first field, type my password into the second field, and then click the login button. That's all there is to it. You really don't need to go through any extra menus or settings for this one. It all happens right from the main Facebook sign-in page. I'm just moving through it again the same way on screen so it's easy to follow. Open the browser, go to facebook.com, fill in the first box with your email or phone number, fill in the second box with your password, and then click log in. Once that goes through, you're signed in and ready to use Facebook on your computer. If your page looks a little different, that's okay, but the main login fields are usually still in the same place. Just focus on those two boxes and the login button. As long as the information is entered correctly, you should be able to get into your account without any trouble. Take it one step at a time, type everything carefully, and once you click login, you're in.